Hello guys, before getting to the video, I thought I'd go over the requirements very quickly. There are three things you'll need. First, you'll need internet connection, which you currently are using, I'm assuming. Secondly, you'll need administrator access to your PC or laptop to activate Windows 10. And thirdly, you need patience. I hope you guys like this video. Please tell us what you think in the description. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Everything is difficult. Help me help you.
Hello guys, DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate Windows 10 for free using a batch file, which I will leave a link to in the description. But first I'm going to have to unactivate mine as I've already used the activation tool. Simply put in this code to unactivate your Windows. Install product key successfully. Quickly going to check by going to settings. As you can see, Windows 10 is not activated, so I'm going to go right ahead and activate it using the batch file. Keep in mind you'll have to run as administrator, otherwise it won't work. Just run it and just let it be. This might take some time, so be patient. As you can see, the project activated successfully. It's going to give you the option to restart your PC. You don't need to. Just press N if you don't want to, and press Y if you want to. Just go to settings to make sure it has activated correctly. As you can see, Windows 10 is now activated. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe. Please leave a comment if you have any issues, and I will surely help you.